We can solve a system of three equations using matrices. So the first step is taking your system of equations, whatever you're given, and creating a matrix equation. So when you guys do this, you need three matrices. You need a coefficient matrix, a variable matrix, and then a matrix for what your equations equal. So once you have those three matrices written out and you pull the coefficients from the letters right in front of your variables. So the x's would just be 1, and then 3y, and then 3z. So we pull the coefficients from your equations, and they have to be in order. So you want to make sure it's x, y, z, x, y, z, x, y, z. If something is missing, you would place a 0 as a holder or a placeholder. But make sure they're in order, x, y, z, x, y, z, x, y, z, and then you just put them into your matrix. Whatever variables you're solving for is what goes in the second matrix. So usually it will be x, y, z, but it could be RST or ABC. Whatever it is you're solving for, whatever variables, that goes in your variable matrix. And then just whatever your equation equals is your last matrix. So to set up the equation itself, you just sort of put them together. So it's the product of the A and X matrix, so your coefficient and your variable. So you guys will just take those values in your coefficient matrix, and you will multiply them by your variable matrix, and it will equal whatever your systems of three equations equals. So after you guys have that set up, what we will do is go and actually use the inverse matrix to solve for this. But the first step is getting it at least set up.